Are you on the lookout for a smart glucose monitoring system? This sleek, little affordable and easy to use device may be what you are looking for. Today we are unboxing the Contour Plus One, a smart glucometer by Bayer. Smart being that it works via Bluetooth and syncs to an Android or iOS app. So this is what's in the box. We have the glucometer itself and a small box containing 25 test strips. The price on the box is Rs 2875, but I purchased it off Amazon at Rs 2480. Let's get the device out and see what else we get in the box. We have some instruction manuals, a micro lancing device, a case, and micro lancets called microlets. This is the main device. The device is quite small with a LCD display covering most of its face. On the left is where we would insert the test strips. Then we have the main display where the readings would be displayed, a up, down and center button to navigate the menus and settings, and a micro USB charging port on the right. This is convenient as I don't have to run around looking for replacement batteries. It's just so small and light makes carrying it around easy. So that's the device. The micro lancet is the next important item in the set. This is what will be drawing your blood, albeit a small amount, quite literally equivalent to a pinprick. The microlets included are to be used for actually pricking the skin, and these are to be inserted into the micro lancet. The microlet is the actual pin and are to be used by only one person, maximum 2 times, so as to avoid infections. The carrying pouch provided fits everything perfectly, making it easy to carry around for anytime, anywhere testing. When you turn the device on for the first time, it prompts to set the date and time. A QR code is present in the manual for the Contour app, which can also be searched for directly on Google Play Store. Install the app, create an account. Now within the app, we need to pair the device. Turn the device on and it is in pairing mode. The phone finds the device and is ready for use. I felt this device is meant only for a single user as I couldn't find a way to store multiple user profiles. Let's now actually test the device. So open up the microlet, break away the circular protector over the microlet and place it in the lancet. Close. So now when you pull back on the handle, it makes the lancet ready to pierce. To test, we need to insert a test strip on the left slot with the grey chip side up. Now we need to draw the first blood. So I used the lancet on my finger. A small blood droplet formed in the area. Just touch the end of the strip to the droplet and due to capillarity, the blood samples get drawn in. Once in, after 5 seconds, it displays the reading. If there's not much blood, it does display on screen not enough sample and allows for taking another sample without having to waste the test strip, which is quite nice as these test strips are not cheap, but the Bayer Contour test strips were not that expensive too. This device has been touted as the most accurate of most of the glucometers available. As far as I see it, the reading was almost similar to a lab test done a few days back. Personal glucometers for home use can have a plus or minus 15 mg per deciliter variance. The left of the device where the test strips are inserted glows certain colors as per the reading. Green means sugar levels is within the target level, amber is above target level, and red is below target level. The app instantly syncs the data from the device and displays it on screen on the phone. We can tap on a reading and we can add photos, notes of the activity at that time, meal information and medications if any were taken. Patterns. This screen displays the patterns on which the sugar levels increased, decreased and other info. This is generally the analysis of the data that it has taken from the device. And for this to work, we need to have much more readings. Then we have reminders to remind taking medication, log the information, test blood sugar, etc. The My Care screen is where you can set the target ranges and also information on the healthcare team for emergency calls, etc. And to make sure that you guys know, this one's for my parents and not for me. But I did take a reading using this device and my blood sugar levels were normal. So So the Bayer Counter Plus One is an affordable smart glucometer with a companion app that has a plethora of features, which would help diabetics to manage their readings and also analyze them. With best accuracy in its class of devices, and the strips not being that expensive, this becomes a highly recommendable product, which performs without having to break the bank. Thank you for watching. See you all next time. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to click on the notification bell to be informed when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.